Hey everyone, Money Mentor Hub here, and let's be real, we all dream of a comfortable retirement, right? Picture this, you, financially secure, enjoying the fruits of your labor, no more alarm clocks, no more commutes, just pure freedom to pursue your passions. But how do you turn this dream into a reality? That's what we're diving deep into today. We're uncovering the secrets to building a retirement that isn't just comfortable, it's downright wealthy. From maximizing your earning potential to making your money work harder than you do, this video is packed with actionable advice you can implement starting today. And trust me, you won't want to miss the final tip. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. Close your eyes for a second and really envision your ideal retirement. What does it look like? Are you lounging on a beach, sipping something tropical? Maybe you're traveling the world, finally checking off those bucket list destinations. Or perhaps you're pursuing a passion project you never had time for. Whatever your dream retirement looks like, achieving it starts with clarity. You need to define what financial freedom means to you. How much money will you need to live comfortably? What are your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves? Seriously, put pen to paper and describe your dream retirement in detail. This isn't just some feel-good exercise, it's about setting your intentions and creating a roadmap for your financial future. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So let's turn those retirement dreams into actionable goals. Break down your big picture vision into smaller, more manageable steps. Factor in healthcare costs, potential travel expenses, and even those just-in-case scenarios. By getting crystal clear on your goals and putting in the work to understand your financial needs, you're already miles ahead of the game. Let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in personal finance, compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. It's the snowball effect of earning interest on your interest, and it's the key to building wealth over time. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Think of it like this. If you invest $10,000 today and it earns a 7% average annual return, you'll have over $76,000 in 30 years. But if you wait 10 years to start investing that same amount, you'll only have around $38,000 at the end of those 30 years. That's the magic of compound interest. The more time you give it to work its magic, the more significant the results. Even if you can only spare a small amount each month right now, start investing it. Consistency is key here. Consider this. Someone who starts investing $100 a month at age 25 could have over $1 million by age 65, assuming a 7% average annual return. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, I'm playing catch-up. I'm not 25 anymore, and that's okay. It's never too late to start. The important thing is that you start today. Even if you're starting a bit later in the game, there are still ways to catch up. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.
Let's talk about free money, shall we? If your employer offers a pension plan, especially one with matching contributions, you need to be taking full advantage of it. This is essentially free money being added to your retirement savings, and it's a no-brainer way to boost your nest egg. Think of it like this. Your employer is offering to match a percentage of your contributions to your pension plan. That's like getting an instant return on your investment before you even factor in market gains. But here's the catch. Many people don't contribute enough to their pension plans to receive the full employer match. They're essentially leaving free money on the table. Don't be that person. Talk to your HR department, understand how your company's pension plan works, and contribute enough to get that full employer match. Now let's address the elephant in the room. What if your employer doesn't offer a pension plan? Don't fret. There are still plenty of options available to you, and we'll dive into those next.
So, your employer doesn't offer a pension plan, or maybe you're self-employed and want more control over your retirement savings. Enter the Individual Retirement Account, or IRA. These are powerful tools that can help you build wealth for your golden years, while potentially reducing your tax burden. Let's break down the two most popular types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, your contributions may be tax deductible, meaning you could lower your current income taxes. The money grows tax deferred, and you'll pay taxes on it when you withdraw it in retirement. On the other hand, with a Roth IRA, your contributions are made with after-tax dollars, meaning you won't get a tax deduction up front. However, Here's the beautiful part. Your money grows tax-free, and you won't owe any taxes on qualified withdrawals in retirement. The key takeaway here is this. Don't let the different IRA options overwhelm you. Do your research, talk to a financial advisor if needed, and choose the one that aligns best with your financial goals and situation.
The idea of early retirement, ditching the 9-to-5 grind and living life on your own terms is incredibly alluring. But before you start fantasizing about endless days on the golf course, let's take a closer look at the realities of early retirement. First, the good news. Retiring early can offer incredible freedom and flexibility. You'll have more time to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy the simple things in life. However, early retirement isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It requires careful planning, discipline, and a realistic assessment of your financial situation. You'll need to accumulate a significantly larger nest egg to support yourself for potentially decades longer than someone retiring at a traditional age. Healthcare costs are another crucial factor to consider. If you retire before you're eligible for Medicare, you'll need to factor in the potentially hefty costs of private health insurance. The decision of whether or not to pursue early retirement is deeply personal. It's about weighing the potential benefits against the financial considerations and determining what's best for your unique circumstances.
Let's talk about a fundamental principle of investing diversification. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." Well, the same applies to your investment portfolio. Diversification is all about spreading your risk across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like precious metals or cryptocurrencies. The idea is that if one asset class performs poorly, the others can help cushion the blow. Think of it like this. If you invest all your money in a single stock and that company goes bankrupt, you could lose everything. But if you have a diversified portfolio with investments in multiple companies, industries, and asset classes, the impact of one bad investment will be much less severe. Now, diversification doesn't guarantee profits or eliminate risk entirely, but it's a crucial strategy for managing risk and potentially enhancing your long-term returns. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions, staying the course, and letting the power of compounding work its magic over time. Creating a solid financial plan is a great first step, but it's not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. Your financial situation, goals, and even the market landscape are constantly evolving. That's why it's crucial to regularly review and adjust your financial plan to stay on track. Think of it like getting regular checkups with your doctor. You wouldn't wait until you're seriously ill to seek medical attention, right? The same goes for your finances. Regular check-ins can help you identify potential issues early on and make necessary adjustments before they become major problems. Set aside some time each quarter, or at least annually, to review your budget, track your spending, and assess your progress toward your financial goals. Are you saving enough for retirement? Are your investments performing as expected? Are there any areas where you can cut back on spending or increase your income? Life throws curveballs, and your financial plan needs to be flexible enough to adapt. By regularly reviewing and adjusting it, you'll be better equipped to navigate whatever financial challenges or opportunities come your way.
We've covered a lot of ground on building a financially secure retirement, but there's one crucial aspect we haven't touched on yet: your health. After all, what good is financial freedom if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it? Investing in your health is just as important as investing in your finances, if not more so. By prioritizing your well-being today, you're not only setting yourself up for a longer, healthier life, but you're also potentially reducing future healthcare costs. Think about it. Chronic health conditions can lead to significant medical expenses, especially in retirement. By making healthy lifestyle choices now, you're mitigating your risk of developing these conditions and potentially saving yourself a lot of money down the line. So, what does investing in your health look like? It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that prioritize your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. By investing in it today, you're not only increasing your chances of enjoying a long and fulfilling retirement, but you're also protecting your financial well-being in the process.
There you have it, the roadmap to a wealthy retirement. Now, I promised you a bonus tip, and it's a big one. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved can provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on personal finance, investing, and building wealth. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from it. Achieving financial freedom and securing your dream retirement is within your reach. Start today and watch your financial future transform.